Hello students, welcome to Diksha Karnataka. So today I am going to tell you a very important information regarding RENEET 2026 which is going to be held on 21st of June. Okay. So now you very well know that uh, every time before conduction of NEET, NTA, the body who is actually conducting the NEET, always releases some important mock test on its official website. Why? So that student will get the atmosphere before actual date of exam. So this time again, now this time what happened? Due to paper leaking, NEET is occurring twice. RENEET 2026 date is again on 21st June. If some student don't know, please write it down. Now this time again, NTA releasing again mock test so that students will able to practice mock test. Okay, so what you have to do to assess it, go to official website of NTA, nt.nic.in. You very well know that. Okay, so on that official, when you reach to the official website of NTA, you will get two options. First option, Abhyas. Okay, go through your phone or either laptop or mock test. Now, what you want to practice? If you want to practice Abhyas, this is a learning app which is designed by NTA. There you get so many MCQs. Okay, so many MCQs. You can practice that. And but the case is that in some of the MCQs in that Abhyas noticed out of syllabus, out of NCRT, and some tricky question. Now you can deal with the tricky question, but if you are not studying any reference book other than NCRT, and if you're thinking this is out of syllabus, out of NCRT, you can skip those question. It is not mandatory to solve each and everything. Same thing apply for mock test. When you open your phone, go to official website of NTA, click on the mock test option, you will see so many questions over there. Okay, designed very well. Again on that you will get out of syllabus, out of NCRT, and some tricky questions. Try those tricky questions also. Sometime maybe in RENEET some tricky questions will come. Okay, so you can leave that out of NCRT, but you can go for tricky question. So I must suggest to each and every student that follow our Vedantu, also free crash courses there. But if you want, you can go to that mock test by released by NTA for for a stronger base and you to build up your confidence before RENEET 2026. Okay, students, thank you.